Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Vishal Ubale. I have taken a project called as Awareness and Restoration of Oral Health and Teeth for All. In India, generally every individual has some sort of oral problems and because of their negligence. And the negligence lead to systemic disorders such as heart attack, stroke, periodontal diseases, diabetes, effect on pregnancy and child. Also, it has a lot of effect on the sexual health also. So, oral health is the overall thing which one should maintain. If such things, if the oral health is provided in people, we can have a healthy country. And in this way, I want to create an impact on the society in which every individual will have healthy smile and I can transform their oral health and make India healthy. I am the possibility of love, happiness and care. Thank you.